This is a message from the Croatian president. We found out that Yugoslavia was an evil country. We are trying to break free from Yugoslavia. So if you see riots or soldiers entering your city, fight back these people so we can break free. If you cannot fight back these riots, stay indoors and lock all doors and windows.
End of emergency broadcast, now resuming original programming.
Half of the riots and soldiers are down as Croatia starting to come back again. We'll bring you back with updates whenever we get them as soon as possible. Stay tuned for more updates.
It is now official that Serbia is now free from Yugoslavia. We will send military support to the others. Have a safe day. Stay safe.